Hi, my son bought this just before Christmas. I've already made a video showing you how I put the coffee in and how it's made. I'm actually going to show you the back of it, and I'm going to make a hot chocolate today. I'm actually getting used to it now. It's a cracking little machine. Just put this forward a minute. Easy to do. This lifts up. I won't do it at the moment, I'm holding the phone. Just give you a rough idea. Oh yeah. This comes out. You fill that up to the mark. Put it back in, and you're able to just have then whatever drink you want. Just put this down a sec. Right, put that back in. Added a tiny little bit of water, didn't need to have much. Make sure that's safe. This pops off, pulls out if you need to clean it. Slops back in nicely. That lifts off, that pops out. So it's easy to sort out. It's also nice to have a choice of different varieties of coffee, hot chocolate, tea, latte, whatever you fancy basically. This is the Bosch machine, I meant to say. Right, here is my selection. I'll keep them in order. That's the cappuccino milk. That goes with the Costa coffee. If you have a cup of tea, they don't supply the milk for this, you put your own milk in. So it's best to do this first and then you can add your own milk to it. That's the way we do it anyway. You do it any other way you wish. I'm going to have today, my favourite at the moment is the hot chocolate. So this is the milk for the hot chocolate. Got to keep them in order because you can't put certain milks with certain ones because it just won't go. So that's what I'm having today, hot chocolate. Because see, they got barcodes on, so you put them that way down. Sorry, that way down in the machine, so the machine penetrates that for the coffee to come down, same as the milk. As you can see, hot chocolate, and there's the milk. So whatever one you buy, you always buy the correct milk to go with the correct drink. Right, now for the nice bit. So you can enjoy a hot chocolate. So that's all you do. This lifts up. The hot chocolate goes in first because of the barcode. It goes that way. you need more water, you press it again. Right, that one is done, and as you can see, it's taken everything, penetrates that, see? Right, now for my milk. I don't add any sugar to this, and it's quite nice, it's lovely taste. Absolutely love it. Just press it slightly if you just want that little bit more to fill up your cup. And that's it, I'm done. Just going to stir that now and enjoy it. Well, that's it. I've made one doing the coffee, and this is the hot chocolate, which is my favourite. I've tried the tea, which is lovely, but I've not tried the lattes on all the others as yet. So enjoy if you have one. Bye. Hi, thanks for viewing my videos, it's much appreciated. If you'd like to leave any comments, please make sure you post them below and I will get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye.